Do you struggle with creativity? Well, I'm going to be sharing some photo shoots and how I work my process through them, and hopefully I can shed some light on some inspiration for you to become more creative.
It's like I saw this fog outside and I said, oh my gosh, I need to shoot in this. Hi, so I'm doing a self-portrait today and I decided to go a little bit Victorian, a little bit goth. I have paled myself and my choker broke, otherwise I'd have a choker on. Dark hair for kind of a Little Red Riding Hood sort of looks, to contrast with this red and all of the white and the fog. I thought it would give it a little bit of an eerie look. I want to let you know that just because you're on a photo shoot and it has one kind of look, you can definitely practice and do a lot of different expressions and kind of see what works best, because your model might not be a very good scary or eerie person and they might not be like, oh, they might not be really happy. See what they can pull off. You might have something in your mind as a photographer, but the model just might not be able to convey that. So kind of work with their personality a little bit when you're shooting. And let's go. We'll see what kind of personality I have. Are you ready? Let's go!
This is the image that I went with for editing for you today. I decided to go with that superhero or super villain look with the lightning bolt who's about to defend her territory. Anyways, I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial and how to boost your creativity, and showing my process has helped you or will help you on your future projects. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you.
This is so fun.